Ready to unlock some serious tax savings? Let's dive into the federal and Missouri state tax credits available to you. First up, the Earned Income Credit. This credit can put up to $6,728 back in your pocket, depending on your income and number of qualifying kids. Next, the Child Independent Care Credit. You can claim up to 50% of care expenses. That's up to $8,000 for one kid or $16,000 for two or more. Got other dependents? There's a credit for them too, up to $500 per dependent. And if you're paying for college, check out the American Opportunity Credit, which offers up to $2,500 per student. Going green? The Residential Energy Efficient Property Credit gives you up to 26% back on solar and other energy-efficient improvements. Plus, don't forget about state credits. In Missouri, the Missouri Works Program, Low-Income Housing Tax Credit, and Film Production Credit could save your business thousands. Total potential savings over 5 years? A whopping $5.7 million. Consult a tax pro to maximize your benefits.